two-post car lift for home garage. You can find timestamps and links to all the products we mention in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. You can judge the credibility of any garage or auto repair shop by the equipment it stocks. This is besides the dexterity portrayed by the mechanic. Talking about equipment, a garage should always have a car lift. The car lift is versatile equipment that plays a significant role in inspection, cleaning, and vehicles' general repairs. The two-post car lift is one of many varieties of this utility you can have, especially if you mostly deal with small to medium-sized vehicles. As a pro, you should always set your sight on the best two-post car lift. If you are looking for this garage equipment, then you are in the right place, as this video is a review giving you a two-post lift comparison, leading you to some of the best that you can get. Number 1. A Plus Lift 2-Post Overhead Autocar Lift. The A Plus Lift 2-Post Overhead Autocar is one of the best two-post car lifts you may encounter, with durability being its selling point. Its frame is very sturdy and features a powder-coated finish on its steel structure. Aside from strength, the powder coat also gives it anti-rust properties, meaning the lift will serve you long without visible signs of wear and tear. Another significant attribute of this car elevator is its stability. Stability is one factor to look at when looking for a car lift, as it assures you of excellent service and safety. It has a robot welded structure, which means it has no faults at all that can affect its service. The S-column design also contributes to its stability, making it versatile. You can use it to lift various vehicles, even the slightly heavy ones such as trucks. It has a CE certification, which assures you of high safety standards when using it. Its high-quality hydraulic system results in a height of 6 feet 9 inches, which is high enough to give you ample room to conduct your mechanical works. Highlighted features: strong double S-column design, combo arm assembly, powder-coated finish, strong steel frame, robot welded structure, dual hydraulic cylinders, automatic arm lock restraints, door guards protection rubber, manual lowering operation, 220 volts 3 HP motor. Pros: it has a heavy-duty design, which makes it durable. It is stable and can support heavy car makes. The powder coating makes its frame strong and rust-resistant. The A Plus lift is easy and safe to use. A versatile lift, where you can use it to lift various vehicles. The high-quality hydraulic system, which brings along a 6 feet 9 inches elevation. Cons: it cannot support heavy vehicles weighing over 10,000 pounds. Number 2. Bend-Pack Dual-Width Asymmetric 2-Post Car Lift. Convenient is the right term to use to describe the Bend-Pack Dual-Width Asymmetric 2-Post Car Lift. It is one of the best two-post car lifts for a home garage, assuring you of reliability, safety, and durability. Its 30-deg rotated column provides ample room for door opening clearance if you want to access the car's interior. The posts are robust, guaranteeing both safety and reliability when using them in your garage. The arm's design gives you a hint of its versatility, where you can load your vehicles either symmetrically or asymmetrically, depending on your preference and the application. TS top beam is expandable, accommodating both wide and narrow drive-through settings. Despite its small structure, this car elevator can comfortably lift up to 10,000 pounds. You may use it with small to mid-sized vehicles such as SUVs, small trucks, vans, and sedans. Highlighted features: 30-deg rotating column, expandable top beam, symmetrical and asymmetrical loading configuration, padded overhead bar, single-point release for safety, 220 volts, 2 HP motor, 10,000 pounds lift capacity, 45 seconds lift time, simple and versatile design, true metric arms. Pros: this car lift is user-friendly, noticeable by the rotated column for interior access when the car is on the lift. Assured safety: expandable top beam to accommodate both wide and narrow drive-through configurations. Supports up to 10,000 pounds in load. Lift arm design allows for both symmetrical and asymmetrical loading. Cons: it requires a forklift to move as it is quite heavy at over 2,500 pounds. Number 3. XK 10,000 pounds 2-post car lift. User-friendliness is one essential factor to look at if you want an ideal car elevation kit for your garage. Focusing on this attribute, the XK 10,000 pounds 2-post car lift is one of the friendliest equipment you can land for elevating vehicles. At 1,400 pounds, it may be hard to unload and install, but past that, everything with this car lift is impressive. The XK car lift features 5/16 cables and a 4.56 pulley, which are heavy-duty and less prone to wear and tear. The cables in the pulley reduce stress and boost the durability element of this garage utility. Another feature to note is the ultra-high molecular, self-lubricating nylon slider that gives you a smooth raising and lowering movement. The self-lubrication saves you when it comes to maintenance, more so oiling the elevation unit. With a 10,000-pound lifting limit, you can use the XK with small to mid-size vehicles. The door guards have rubber for the protection of the vehicle's frame. The double-point safety lock release assures you of safety when using the elevator. Highlighted features: heavy-duty cable, self-lubricating nylon slider, 220 volts, 3 HP motor, door protection rubber guards, dual-point safety lock release mechanism, stiffened base plate, manual lowering operation, relief valve fixated in the power pump to prevent overloading, a set of truck adapters, 10,000-pound lifting capacity. Pros: the lift is easy to use. Durable courtesy of its sturdy frame and components like the cable and pulley. Its self-lubrication properties ensure a smooth upward and downward motion. The high load limit of up to 10,000 pounds. The door guards protect the car's frame from abrasions and impact, which can damage it. Assured safety courtesy of the double-point safety lock release and other features. Cons: it is quite heavy to move, and you require a forklift to move it. Number 4. Triumph NT 11,000 pound 2-post auto lift. In this 2-post lift comparison, we cannot miss a mention of Triumph, a notable brand in the auto lift manufacturing scene. Its product is the Triumph NT 11,000 pound 2-post auto lift, which has a standout design, making it a suitable addition for either your home or professional garage. One feature that you notice with this model is the lack of an upper beam, which allows for a maximum lift of 72. This is a decent elevation limit that will give you the needed access to the vehicle. It is very stable, assuring you of excellent service and safety when using it. Another thing to notice is its 112 width between the posts. This is a nice measure, which makes it ideal for accommodating larger vehicles. Talking of larger vehicles, its 11,000-pound load limit means it will support a wide range of vehicles, like SUVs, minivans, and mid-sized trucks. The Triumph NT is also very durable, courtesy of its powder coat. The coating makes it sturdier and gives it anti-corrosion properties, especially against rust. Highlighted features: free set of floor anchors, a set of truck adapters, 72 inches lifting height, blue powder coating, 11,000-pound lifting capacity, 102 inches drive-through width, asymmetrical configuration, 2x2 and 2x3 stage arms, 220 volts single-phase motor. Pros: the lift has an impressive lift F72. Very stable, guaranteeing your safety. The 112 width value allows it to accommodate wide vehicles. The powder coating improves its strength and gives it anti-rust qualities. Cons: it cannot support large vehicles over the 11,000-pound load limit. Number 5. Triumph NT9 FP 9,000-pound auto lift. If you mainly deal with small cars and maybe small-sized SUVs with a weight of 9,000 pounds and below, then the Triumph NT9 FP is a suitable lift for your auto repair practice. The equipment comes in a simple structure, featuring heavy-duty poles with a powder coat to improve its life. The NT9 FP has an overall height of 109 inches and a width of 132, which can fit well in medium to large establishments. It has both symmetrical and asymmetrical arms, both 2 and 3 stage, and you can pick your preferred configuration. The lift comes with free anchorage and mounting material and truck adapters, showing you its user-friendliness and safety aspects. Highlighted features. Supports both symmetrical and asymmetrical loading configurations. Free truck adapters. 72 inches lifting height. Free set of floor anchors. 220 volts motor. Powder-coated exterior. 9,000 pound lifting capacity. 96 inches drive-through width. Door guard rubber pads. 4.5 inches lowered height. Pros. The lift is durable due to its powder coat. Has both symmetrical and asymmetrical arms. It is easy to use. The elevator package comes with free accessories such as mounting material and truck adapters. Assured safety. Cons. Installation may be hard, especially when aligning the cables. Number 6. Qian-Rong CR Overhead 2 Post Lift. Qian-Rong CR Overhead 2 Post Lift leans on the safety element as its selling point. Several features of this garage utility make it safe to use. Hence, it is among the ideal two-post car lifts for a home garage. Its safety features include a double-point safety lock release, automatic arm restraints, rubber door guard protection, and anchor bolt mounting. It has an easy-to-use control system that you may easily run. As a beginner, the instruction manual can guide you on its use. There is the relief valve, a built-in pump, which will prevent overloading, one of the causes of accidents when using a car elevator. It has a thick structure that makes it robust and stable, boosting its life and service delivery. The 100 inches drive-through clearance gives it an edge in versatility, where it can accommodate wider-bodied automobiles. The 2-point arms give the car you want to lift the proper hold when lifting it, further showcasing its stability. Highlighted features. Features adjustable pads. Comes with free truck adapters. 9,000 pounds lifting capacity. Dual-point safety lock release mechanism. Has anchor bolts and mounting hardware. Stiff base plate. Rubber door guard protectors. 20 to 60 seconds lifting time. Manual lowering mechanism. 100 inches drive-through clearance. Pros. The Qian-Rong lift is one of the safest car elevation equipment. Using it is a straightforward process, with the manual guiding you. A wide drive-through clearance of 100. It is durable courtesy of its thick build. The lift is very stable. Cons. The lift is not suitable for vehicles over 9,000 pounds. At 1,300 pounds, the CR is quite heavy and needs a forklift to haul it. Number 7. County Route 10,000 lb 220 volts auto lift. Introducing you to a suitable two-post car lift low for a low ceiling, we have the County Route 10,000 pound 220 volts auto lift. The crossing has an overall height of around 9 feet, a perfect limit to fit into low-ceiling premises such as your home garage. Another thing to appreciate about this vehicle elevator is its 220 volts hydraulic power. This is a great power that will see the car lift working effortlessly. You cannot overlook this utility's load limit of 10,000 pounds, which means it can work with mid-sized vehicles such as mini trucks, sports utility vehicles, and vans. Additionally, this equipment brings its best in the safety aspect. Automatic arm restraints, heavy-duty cables, and pulley-stiffened base plates, and many more show you how safe it is. The control system is easy to use if you have prior experience. If using it for the first time, the user manual will guide you. The elevation unit also has features that protect your car during the lift. They include the door rubber guards and adjustable truck bed adapters. The relief valve built-in power pump brings a touch of durability, where it prevents overloading, protecting the suspension works from wear and tear brought about by stress. Highlighted features: 10,000 pound lifting capacity, door rubber guards, adjustable truck adapter pads, hardened base plate, heavy-duty cable and pulley, 100 inches drive-through clearance. Power pump has a relief valve, double-point safety lock release mechanism, manual lowering through lever, self-lubricating nylon sliders, 220 volts motor. Pros: a powerful 220 volt system. The 9 feet height is ideal for low-ceiling auto repair premises. The lift has plenty of features that uphold safety during use. The door rubber guards prevent damage to the vehicle's body. Strong and stable frames for long use. Short raising time of 20 to 60 seconds. Cons. Beginner users may have a hard time operating it initially. Number 8. Mayflower Blacksmith 2-Post Auto Lift. The Mayflower Blacksmith 2-Post Auto Lift is another garage utility that is ideal for a low-ceiling premise. It has a maximum height of 75 inches and 79 inches when using adapters. It has an impressive load limit of 10,000 pounds, making it flexible where you use it with various automobiles within this weight value. The Mayflower Blacksmith boasts of its heavy-duty build, evident from its sturdy chain drives and hydraulic cylinders. The blue powder coat on its posts boosts its stability and acts as a protective cover from corrosion, like rust. This 2-post auto lift's user-friendliness aspect comes through its safety features. The safety attribute comes through the double 2-point safety lock release and automatic arm restraints. It has fast lifting speeds and can achieve maximum lift in 40 to 50 seconds. Highlighted features: 75 inches maximum height without adapters, sturdy chain drives, 2-point safety lock release, automatic arm restraints, 40 to 50 seconds lifting time, blue powder coating, 4 truck adapters, robust 2 hydraulic cylinders, 10,000 pound lifting capacity, 220 volts, 3 HP motor. Pros. The lift's 75 inches elevation limit makes it ideal for low ceiling setups. The impressive load limit of up to 10,000 pounds. The Mayflower Blacksmith is both sturdy and stable. Durability courtesy of the strong build and blue powder coat. Very safe, both to the user and the load. Fast lifting speeds, taking 40 to 50 seconds to reach its top elevation limit. Cons. Installation may be a daunting task. Number 9. BendPak QuickJack Portable Lift. The BendPak QuickJack Portable Lift is one of the best portable car lifts you may come across. This is a simple car elevation gear, a characteristic evident from its structure, usability, and many more. It has a 2 feet lifting value, which might be low, but good enough for changing wheels and conducting the light inspection. The portability of this BendPak car lift allows you to carry it with you and fits well in your car's trunk. It can work as a lifting jack and is perfect if you move from one workstation to another. The lift is economic on space, not taking much of it when not in use. The lift takes seconds to achieve its maximum limit, an attribute it owes to its 110 volts motor. Setting it up and use is straightforward, with assured safety. Highlighted features: 110 volts AC motor, 2 feet lifting limit, weighs 215 pounds, remote control, welded steel reinforced frame, cantilevered rubber block trays. It has dual position safety locks, hands-free descent. Product dimensions: 72*15*6 inches. Pros: easy to set up and use. Ideal for changing wheels, where it acts as a lifting jack. Assured safety. Fast elevation speeds. It is economic in space. Cons: the lift cannot work with heavy automobiles. Number 10. XKL2900 9,000 pound auto lift. Power is a vital factor to look at when getting a 2-post lift. One of the lifts that boast impressive power is the XKL2900 9,000 pound lift, from its 220 volts, 60Hz 3 HP motor. This power translates to fast elevation rates of 20 to 60 seconds. The XKL2900 is a heavy-duty garage utility with components like the posts, cable, and pulley being sturdy, translating to reliability and durability. The self-lubricating nylon slider upgrades its service delivery, seeing that the auto lift has a smooth up and down movement. The rubber door guards protect the body from scratches and other minor impacts during the vehicle's lift. This elevation unit has a drive-through clearance of 100, suitable for wider-bodied vehicles. Highlighted features: robust frame, self-lubricating nylon slider, rubber door guards, drive-through clearance of 100 inches, 20 to 60 second elevation speed, 2-point safety lock release, 220 volts, 3 horsepower motor, 1 set of truck adapters, 9,000 pound load limit, comes with mounting hardware, Pros. Upholds safety through several of its attributes like stability. The lift is durable, evident by its robust poles. Easy motion due to the self-lubricating nylon slider. Immense power from its 220V motor. Fast elevation speeds, taking 20 to 60 seconds. Cons. Getting replacement parts is hard.